just got ready. I'm going to head over to a cafe that recently opened up across the street and just get out of my funk. Over the last 2 to 3 days, I've stayed indoors and I need to break that cycle, and you're coming along with me. Let's go.
You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave out wear a disguise. Darling, don't you wait for me.
Got a salmon donburi, a sushi pizza, another donburi for Nico. We are on our way to the Christmas market. This is our second attempt to come. Last week we tried to make it here and there was zero parking, so we took the subway.
I got a drop on my forehead.
It's super rainy or snowy. Yeah, I don't know what you want to call this.
And it kind of melts on the...
Yes, we always somehow choose the worst weather days to spend time outdoors.
Also to record videos.
And to record video. Oh my gosh, it is so empty compared to last week. Very cute. This is not the baby yard. He thinks this part looks like Washington State. Oh, it's so cool.
Delightful.
Sing for us, Nico.
Very delightful.
We're coming up to the best part here. Okay, the question is why Dior? So random. What are they trying to sell here?
About your day and ask you how it is. Why are you being cruel when we could have all this in the dry?
It was too cold outside, so and like there was no space to like take cover. So we decided the heat was a good option for tonight.
We always end up at restaurants. Give us the nans.
Yeah, and then you just pour the hot chocolate on it and just like melt it.
Oh, look at these dishes. Those are cute. Find every excuse to buy this one. Got so many unique different candle scents here. Silver birch,
Palo Alto.
smoked Palo Santo, it's not Palo Alto, warm elmi. I don't know what that
Sugar
would
cane.
smell like. Sugar, that's sugar pine. You got sweet tobacco.
And sushi or chai.
Sushi, satsuma chai, and lemon ginger. Stone fruits, that one sounds like it'd be good. Look, coconut watermelon.
That
That's-
I approve.
It's cute. Finally stopped snowing.
On and rainy street night.
I would say that was a
Pescado.
success. It was a success because
Success story.
no lines anywhere,
No lines.
and we got good food. We got
got-
some Christmas gifts.
Gifts, chocolates,
Yeah, and
candles, ornaments.
it's kind of like slowed down a little bit with the snow, so now we're just gonna head home.
Yeah. And sound.